Hey, what's up, Microcryptosofts family? Welcome back to the channel where we break down everything crypto, mining, wallets, trading, and the latest trends you need to know. If you're into Bitcoin mining and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we've got some game-changing insights coming your way. Alright, so let's talk about something that's really changing the game in Bitcoin mining, AI. Yeah. Artificial intelligence is making its way into mining software, and honestly, it's wild. If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you know mining isn't what it used to be. Back in the day, you could mine Bitcoin with a decent GPU on your gaming rig. But now, with the insane difficulty levels and energy costs skyrocketing, mining profitably has become nearly impossible for most people. And that's where AI is starting to flip the script. See, AI is being integrated into mining software to optimize power usage, predict block rewards, and even improve hash rates. Companies are already experimenting with AI-driven algorithms that can analyze mining patterns and adjust operations in real time. Imagine your mining software automatically tweaking settings to maximize efficiency without you lifting a finger. It's like having a mining expert built into your rig 24/7. One company, Quantum Blockchain Technologies, has developed something called Method C AI Oracle. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? But here's what's crazy. They claim it can either reduce energy costs or increase mining speed by nearly 30%. If that's legit, we're looking at a potential revolution in how Bitcoin is mined. And it's not just them. Big investors, even hedge funds like D.E. Shaw, are getting involved in AI-driven mining companies because they see where this is headed. It's no longer just about raw power, it's about smart power. The biggest challenge with traditional mining is inefficiency. A lot of energy is wasted, and the hardware takes a beating because it's running at max load all the time. AI changes that by learning from past mining cycles and predicting when to push harder or slow down to conserve power. Some AI models can even scan network activity and anticipate difficulty adjustments before they happen, giving miners an edge over the competition. I mean, imagine knowing exactly when to ramp up mining before the next difficulty spike. Yeah, that's a game changer. But let's be real here. AI in Bitcoin mining isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are still a lot of questions, like how reliable is it? Can it really boost efficiency without messing with decentralization? And let's not forget the fact that AI itself needs computational power. So is it actually reducing costs, or are we just shifting the power consumption from one system to another? These are the kinds of things we need to keep an eye on as this technology evolves. One thing's for sure though, the big players are paying attention. Riot platforms, Marathon Digital, and even some cloud mining operations are already looking at ways to integrate AI into their systems. It's only a matter of time before this becomes standard in the mining industry. And if it delivers on its promise, small-scale miners might finally get a shot at competing again. Imagine a future where your home mining rig runs on AI-driven software that constantly adapts to market conditions, energy prices, and block rewards, making sure you always stay profitable. Sounds pretty awesome, right? So yeah, AI is shaking things up in Bitcoin mining, and we're just at the beginning. Whether it's optimizing energy use, predicting network difficulty, or improving hardware lifespan, one thing's clear. This isn't just another trend. This is the future. If you're mining Bitcoin or even just thinking about getting into it, AI-powered software is something you'll definitely want to keep an eye on. Now, speaking of AI-driven mining software, if you're looking for a way to mine Bitcoin with minimal effort and maximum efficiency, you've got to check out Microcryptosofts v.0.1 and Microcryptosofts 4.0.9. Unlike traditional mining software, these are designed to work seamlessly with AI-powered algorithms, optimizing your mining output in real time. Microcryptosofts 4.0.9 is our premium cloud-based solution that lets you mine up to 0.025 Bitcoin in a short period without the need for expensive hardware. It recovers lost Bitcoin blocks from large mining farms and redistributes them to users, giving you an edge that no other software can. If you're serious about Bitcoin mining in 2024, then Microcryptosofts is the best mining software you can get. It's efficient, powerful, and built for the future. So, if you want to start mining smarter, check out the links in the description below. Alright, that's it for today. Let me know in the comments what you think about AI in mining. Do you see it as the future, or do you think it's just hype? Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto updates. See you in the next one.